Good day. I will share to you and explain and familiarization for our distribution for our 24 volts ships 24 volt supply. Okay, there is a breakers, relays, transformers, okay, fuse, then the monitor module, so the fuses, this is the supplies, lighting source, navigating light source, emergency nav light distribution panel, public address, bridge console, engine console. Then this is the discharging relay, discharging and overcharge relay. Then this one is the IR monitor or ground fault monitoring relay. Okay, 0.1 is the setting, and then we need to check that one if that is correct setting. Okay, that is the connection diagram for our IR module relay. Okay, this is the battery isolation breaker for our battery. Okay, also this is schematic. If you want to change the battery, just turn off this MCB2. Okay, MCB1 connected to our charger, battery charger for our 24 volts. Then this is the schematic, also the emergency switch for our blackout test for our 24 volts. There is a 24 volts bulbs on our fluorescent fixture. Okay, turn off the isolation for battery if you want to change the batteries. Okay, we need to turn off, just simulation only. Then we will go to battery room. This is new and recently changed. I already changed this last week. Okay, that's it. This is 24 volts for GMDSS, and then the other side is the 24 volts for ship's battery or general service battery. Okay, this is 5 years, need to change as per manual. Okay, I wash, and then there is a voltmeter. This is per piece. Okay, that's it. Okay, I hope you learn from it, and then you can use this idea for your future job. If in case if you change the battery without interruption, just isolate the breaker for that battery. Okay, thank you very much.
If you learned from this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for more updates. Also follow us on Facebook Barco TV. Thanks for watching.